Hey guys, it's Mel again. We're here at this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath Craftsman Bungalow, completely remodeled. We only do revivals, so we're bringing you in. The homeowner is actually here, kind enough to let us in and give us a tour so you guys can take a look at this beautiful historical property in the Carroll Park area of Long Beach. So we're gonna go in, come on, we're gonna go in and take a quick tour of this beautiful home. Come on in, guys. Let's take a quick look at this gorgeous, cute little home. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna circle around. I'm gonna close the door so we don't get any outside noise, because I really want you guys to pay attention to this cute, cozy home. Obviously, living room. You have a little bit of a dining room area. Brand new remodel kitchen. But guys, what about this awesome detail from 1905 spiral staircase going upstairs to the master bedroom, actually master suite. We'll take a look at that in a little bit, but first, how about the kitchen? Quartz countertops, but the woodwork, love the woodwork. Kind of modern, mid-century modern feel to it. I love that detail, especially because it's a Craftsman home, so it doesn't really go with it, but for some reason it does. It actually works. I love the nice little details, all the small little cubbies, usable space. And in the kitchen, believe it or not, since it's a small bungalow, you also have your washer and dryer. Chalkboard wall, great idea. Oh, and the lovely classic tub. I love that detail. All right, so let's take a look at the rest of the house, the bedrooms. I love the privacy glass there. What do you guys think? Right? Nice and quiet, right? I like it. I mean, I personally want to sit in here, have a little bit of breakfast or something. I don't know, what do you guys think? It is 11 o'clock my time. I'm thinking brunch, maybe some mimosas. Somebody want to bring me some mimosas? No? Okay, come on, let's take a look at the rest of the house. Tiny room, maybe a kid's room. So let's take a look at bedroom number 2. So I love the second bedroom because it's nice and cozy, yet at the same time it has a little bit of extra space to do as you please. Maybe a walk-in closet here. It looks like at some point it did have it, the original home, but the owner has decided to open up the space and actually put a fresh door going outside to the deck, which I love this idea. So now you have typical California living. So outdoor space, right to the cooking area, little outdoor grill. He has his stand-up paddleboard ready to go since the beach is only a couple miles away. A little outdoor seating area. And you know what? Isn't this a great place to have a little get-together with friends, maybe a little wine, cheese. Imagine this in the middle of, I don't know, the summer, and then you also have 3 or 4 of your closest friends. You're having great conversation, having a little wine, relaxing, maybe 7 p.m. The sun is going down. You're just having a good time out here. And now we're in the master suite upstairs. I love this room. I honestly feel that this is the selling point of this home. It is cozy yet spacious. You have plenty of outdoor lighting here with the 2 huge windows looking out. I love this. And how cute is this right here? It is empty right now. It's just remodeled, right? So he hasn't put any furniture in yet. But I love this. I love this little cute area here. You can put some nice little pillows and cover stuff, and then you can just relax here and read your book. How cool is this? I love this house. So cozy. Okay, so we have the master bathroom this way. I love this little area, maybe a dresser or something like that, or a small little desk with a laptop. I like it. And full bathroom. I like this. Super cute. You got your little cubbies right here. Plenty of space for your linens and a full shower. You gotta love it. Now let me show you the closet on the other side of the bathroom. So what did you guys think of the home? I personally feel like it's a great, super cute, cozy home you can come to every day and feel like you're surrounded by, you know, a nice comfortable feeling. Watch your Netflix, put a glass of, pour a glass of wine, and have some friends over outdoors with this great Cali weather. And what I love about it is the quirky nice little features like this spiral staircase, the upstairs master, right, that has that cute little cubby space where you can just sit there and read a nice little book. And also what I love about it is that you're only a couple of blocks away from the beach, downtown Long Beach, and just 2 blocks away from amazing restaurants and bars, all for a really affordable price. This area right now is almost like a mini Silver Lake and hidden gem within Long Beach. You have Long Beach, Belmont Shore, Naples Island. What do you guys think? If you know anyone who has a beautiful home that you think should be featured, let us know, send us a quick message. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next show.